Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. Today we'll go over our Estimate Future Balances tool. Managing cash flow means knowing not just what you have now, but what you'll have later. Are you feeling uncertain about your account balances with all those upcoming bills and purchases? Our Estimate Future Balances tool helps you with that. We'll walk you through how to use it to see a clear projection for any date and selected accounts, helping you make smarter financial decisions. Let's get started. The Estimate Future Balances tool is available to ClearCheckbook Premium customers and can be found by clicking on Tools at the top of the page. Your future balance is calculated by starting with your current account balance, then factoring in any post-dated transactions, unpaid and upcoming bills, as well as any unposted recurring transactions. To get started, pick the date in the future you'd like to see your balances projected to. I'll choose 3 months into the future, which means selecting an end date of July 14th. You can enter any estimated withdrawals or deposits if you think you'll have some expenses or deposits that won't be accounted for in the balance projection. If you only want to see balances for a specific account or set of accounts, you can select them in the account list. By default, your balances will be projected for all of your accounts. Finally, there's a checkbox to include any overdue bills that haven't been paid yet. This will adjust the starting balance by the amount of overdue bills you haven't paid. When I click on the Estimate button, a visual future balance report will appear showing where my balance is each day. If the balance dips negative, it will appear red where the balance is negative. Below that is a list of all the future transactions that affect my balance. It starts with my current starting balance and then shows each individual post-dated transaction, unpaid bills, and upcoming recurring transactions. There's a balance column that shows how each transaction affects the overall future balance. Information about each type of transaction is also shown so you know where the transaction is coming from. Finally, there's a monthly breakdown section that shows what your balances will be at the end of each month between the start and end dates of the balance projection. All of this information can be used to help you determine if you need to make any changes to your cash flow to keep your balance positive, make a large payment or purchase, or just have some extra money to put towards your savings. More information about this tool can be found by clicking the green Help button at the top right side of the page. This will take you to our knowledge base article dedicated to the Estimate Future Balances tool.